Hello there, welcome to the free video lesson on Fight a Traffic Ticket in Court. Free information inside. Chances are you have a citation just like this one pictured here. Yellow, small, really something you do not want. But if you do get one, I'm going to give you some tips on how to reduce it or even get it thrown out in court. First of all, before we get into those tips, I want to invite you to this video and invite you to join the free e-course at www.trafficticketsaver.com. It's packed with free tips and information on how to really beat a traffic or speeding ticket. It's very possible, you just need to follow the information. Alright, first of all, you need to take down every detail. If you do get a traffic ticket, make sure to take down every single detail when you get pulled over. The weather, the traffic condition, the cop's plates, what he was wearing, exactly what part of the road you're on. If you have a digital camera, it really wouldn't hurt to take some pictures. Because let me tell you what you can do. If you go into court with pictures, let's say you even get a poster board. You make pictures, you print out pictures, and you really have a good case, they're going to look at you like, wow, this guy is serious about getting out of this traffic or speeding ticket, because most people won't go to those lengths. If they know you're serious, if they know you're willing to take this all the way to a possible jury trial, chances are they're going to work with you. They're going to reduce it down to no points, reduce the fine significantly, or even throw it out just to get you out of their courtroom and get back to business as normal. Because 97 or 98% of the people that show up just pay the ticket and move on. You're the part of that 2 to 5% who wants to really mess with the system and beat it. Now, you need to take the ticket seriously. Make sure to groom yourself well the day of the court date. Don't wear any wrinkled clothes. Make it so the prosecutors will take you seriously. Look like a productive part of the community. Look like you care about winning, and look like you're there to win. If you do that, you have a much better chance at least getting it reduced, possibly thrown out. Now you have to enter in a plea. Make sure you enter in a plea of not guilty. Try to delay the proceedings if possible. This could help your case in many ways. Cop no-show, build a good defense, etc., etc. Make sure you enter not guilty and tell the prosecutor that you're willing to take this thing all the way to a jury trial. They're not going to go to a jury trial because that's a waste of court time, a waste of court money. They're going to work with you if you show you're serious. Now, if you want to learn more and you want to know how to beat this thing, check out www.trafficticketsaver.com to get your free e-course on how to beat a traffic or speeding ticket. We've helped thousands of motorists from ever paying a dime in fines, insurance rate increases, never having points out of their driver's license. We can definitely help you out. Check out trafficticketsaver.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.